This is the greatest show in this part of the region. So diverse. Travis has done an excellent job getting some vendors in here. I'm just in awe about the vehicles. Anything from a bag new Dodge to this wonderful piece of machinery right here. Just a great show, and with a great festival. You know, I'm finna go get me a ribeye. Cruise to the lake. It's all good, and I'm glad I came, and I'm glad I support it, and I appreciate Travis for putting it on.
We participate in a lot of shows across the country. We've made a lot of friendships with people surrounding us and are glad that we can bring them here. Amazing turnout, more than what we could have ever predicted, and the people that are just willing to travel blows my mind away, that they want to come hang out with us, because at the end of the day, that's what we're all here to do, hang out, look at cool cars. I mean, people from Oklahoma, Missouri, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Texas, I mean, we're covering all around the state of Arkansas to probably bring you one of the most relaxed and most fun and enjoyable shows that we could put together. Everybody is making friends, seeing old friends, and creating those relationships that really bring this community together. Our show's very laid back, very diverse. You're going to see a little bit of everything from the $200,000 build all the way to somebody's patina truck with rotted rockers. Imports, muscle car stuff, really diverse, and that's what people love the best about our show, I think. It just allows everyone to come together with different tastes, but at the end of the day, we all appreciate the camaraderie, just being able to get our hands dirty and show off our projects.